If you're facing packet loss, high ping, or connection issues while playing Valorant, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few things that you can try to improve your connection and potentially lower your ping. Make sure you follow these instructions carefully. Now, the first thing you need to do is configure a firewall rule for Valorant. So, go to Windows Search and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, and then select Advanced Settings from the left side. Now, select Outbound Rules. On the right side, click New Rule. Here, select Port, then click Next. Now select TCP and enter the following port range: 49,152 to 65,530. For 35, click Next. Select Allow the connection, then click Next. On the next screen, leave the option selected and click Next again. Click Finish. Once you've created the rule, move on to the next step. Now open Windows Search and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Once Command Prompt opens, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After that, type netesh winsock reset and press Enter again. These commands will clear your DNS cache and reset the Windows Winsock configuration. Once you've completed both commands, the last thing you need to do is restart your computer. After your PC restarts, launch Valorant and check your ping and packet loss. Hopefully these steps help improve your connection and resolve the packet loss or high ping issue. If you're still experiencing the problem, let me know in the comments what ping you're getting and how much packet loss you're experiencing. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Valorant fixes